Okay, 1970 Porsche 914-6. It is a track car, streetable. Has some modifications to it, fiberglass fender flares, sport muffler, got a couple of very nice European tail lenses. This is a true 6. A little dirty from sitting in the warehouse. It's had some chassis repairs. You can get to a few places here. There's been some rust in the car in the past. There's also been some accident damage in the front. I don't see any accident damage in the rear. The front body panel has been replaced, and the right headlight door has been replaced. Ran Chicago Historic Races. Probably as number 89. I tried to get some records, but no one seems to have any records of any of the Chicago Historic Races. Nice door panels. Got an aftermarket steering wheel. Race seat. Aftermarket carpets that are in nice condition. 10,000 RPM tack. The dash top is original 914-6 dash top in an excellent condition. Lower dash looks good. It's got a lockout for first reverse. An extra oil pressure gauge. The idling, we've got it warmed up a little bit at this point. It also has a bolt-in roof for some extra stiffness. Wink mirror. Fuel tank. It looks like it has Bilstein struts. There's the original windshield washer tank for a 6. Going to cut out in the floor for an exit to the oil cooler. This little dent here is a little bit different than the original one would have been. You can see where it's got the shorter box here for the headlight.
Well,